Hey guys, welcome to the Whimsical Workshop. We have another unboxing. This is box number 2 of the Common Thread, so let's get started. Yay! So this one came in the mail. I am super excited to open it up and see what we've got inside. It is the end of February. This came earlier in the month, so if there is a Valentine thing in here, it wasn't them, it was me. So, all right, let's see what we've got. Yeah, I did undo the tape. And again, theirs are pretty big boxes. Sometimes I get these are in like a little padded envelope. Sometimes they're in a small box. This is a big box. Oh, there we go. All right, so first we'll get my receipt out of the way. Got a little heart. Oh, wait, hang on a minute. Make sure I'm in focus here. So we've got a little heart on our tissue paper, which again, I kind of wondered if it would be a Valentine's Day. Well, even the crinkly stuff is pink. How cute is that? All right, here's our little list. So I'll look at that in a second. Ooh, this is gonna be pretty. This is called A Tricky Path. It's jelly roll friendly. And we got beautiful, yummy jelly rolls from Benartex. So we'll look at that. So let's see here. We got our pattern and our yummy jelly rolls. Oh, look how cute are these. Little love scissors with little hearts on them. How adorable are those? Just like the love scissors, but miniature. Oh, those are very cute. And then we got, ooh, Starburst, my favorite. Actually, this is my favorite flavor. All right, so that's what we got in the box. Again, this one is $33 a month plus $10.21 for shipping for me here in the US. I don't know what it is in other parts of the country. And trust me, that is what it costs to ship because we do shipping all the time. So this is a really nice value. So what do we got here? First let's get this out of here so you can look at it. And this is Sweet Jane's A Tricky Path, jelly roll friendly. Let's see here. Okay, so then on the inside, let's just see what we got for directions. 38 by 42. And it gives you cutting for jelly roll, cutting for fat quarters. This says you need 20 strips to do the quilt, and we got 42 strips. So how's this go together? I suppose you could make it much bigger than you wanted to because you have twice as many strips, which is really nice. And so it's, you know, pretty straightforward directions, so that's nice. You don't need to see me open the Starburst because then you won't understand me. Let's check out these little love scissors. I mean, how cute are those? I guess we go that way. Don't mind the marker on my hand. All right, and these are super cute. Let me see here. Grab a piece of fabric. Yes, I have my trusty scrap bin over here. Oh, those cut really nice. And if they cut through fabric nice, then they're gonna cut through threads nice. And these are from Kelmscott Design. Can you see it right there? If anybody is interested. So the pattern value is $9. The little love scissors are $14.75. And then the jelly roll is $38. So just the jelly roll alone is more than what we're paying for the box. And so I have to open it to show you the fabric. So let me, what I don't do for you guys. All right, we're gonna cut this out, cut this open so you can see the fabrics a little bit closer. And then I'll just have to put it in a baggie so they stay nice and pretty for me. There we go. And I'm gonna keep this. It's Benartex Sweet Baby Rose from Dover Hill. Oh, I'm sorry, you get 40 pieces. 40 pieces. I thought I read 40. I was reading 42-inch strips. Okay, so, oh, they're wrapped around a cardboard. How about if we do it this way? We get 2 at a time. So first we have these blue roses. And we have the white, well here, we'll just start over here. And then we have this really pretty stripe. We have stripes and leaves, flowers. Try to keep my big hand out of the way here. Oh, little lacy rose dots. Oh, same stripe and green. And then you got these really, really pretty flowers, very soft. There's 2 of those. Oh, then the soft roses. And there's 3 of those. Okay, so that is that column. All right, let's see if I can do it over my head here. These are even larger flowers, so you've got a variety of sizes. The stripe and peach, the roses, another stripe, flowers, stripe. Oh, look at those. Those are cute little roses and dots. And then that is the flowers. So very, very pretty. It's also really nice. She's not hitting you over the head with a Valentine's Day box. She's hinting at it, which is nice for people like me who didn't open it right away. But I always like to open them with you guys. So let's see what she had to say in her little letter to us, which again, I so appreciate having. This is, thank you for purchasing the February quilting subscription box. We specially ordered everything in the box for you for Valentine's in mind. And again, I really do appreciate it. It's not like screaming Valentine's. It's very sweet, but it could be used year round. The Little Love Scissors by Kelmscott Designs, and I hope I'm saying that right, are 2.5-inch embroidery scissors of high quality and are handmade, great for stitching projects. And their full-size finger holes are a great feature. Perfect for travel sewing and small size, making them airplane friendly. Seeing how I'm about to embark on 1,000,000 trips, these will come in handy. A tricky path is a great quilt pattern. You can make this entire quilt top with 1 jelly roll or 10 fat quarters. So if you have fat quarters, you can use it that way as well. Great quilt for beginners, since there are no seams you have to match up, which we all know is so nice. And then Sweet Baby Rose is by Dover Hill for Benartax. Is adorable sweet line incorporating large watercolor florals and smaller tonal prints that are pastel greens, pinks, blues, corals, and whites. You get 2.5 by 42-inch strips for a total of 40 pieces. Hope you enjoy your February box with the soft Valentine feel. Maybe it'll encourage your spirits, inspiring you to make a beautiful quilt for your home or a gift. So, very nice box. Again, this alone is the same price, is more than the price of the box. Then we got the candies, the scissors, and the pattern. And again, if you're more advanced, you certainly could make this a little bigger with the extra strips, which is really, really nice. And you don't need any extra fabric. It's all from the jelly roll strips, which is always a nice thing when you don't have to go find extra fabric. I mean, you do need binding and backing, but we need that for everything. So I hope you have enjoyed our box 2 from the Common Thread. We have 1 more box coming next month. And again, at this point, I feel it's a great value. They're very nice to work with. They're very responsive. And check out their website. I'll put the link below. And also check out, they have a cross-stitch box I unboxed a couple months ago. I will put that link in there as well. So with all of that, make sure you like and subscribe. I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.